Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer Morrison and I'm an artist who specializes in botanical colored pencil artwork. For this channel, I am creating a series of videos to show you the basics of colored pencils. I'm going to tell you why I love working with colored pencils and show you some of the supplies that I'm going to be featuring in the series. In the second video, I will be demonstrating some of the main techniques that I like to use in my drawings, including blending, indenting, eraser work, and everybody's favorite, how to dissolve the pencil pigment using solvent to create a painterly look to your drawings. In the third video, I will show you how all of this translates into a drawing featuring this dahlia. And then finally, I'm going to show you how to create a smooth, solid black background using black marker layered with colored pencils and solvent. Throughout this process, I hope to show you how fun and easy colored pencils are to use and encourage you to give this medium a try. So up first, let me tell you a few reasons why I love to work with colored pencils. Colored pencils are such an easy medium to get started with. I started drawing about 7 years ago with zero experience, and I'll be honest, zero natural talent, and quickly learned how to draw using colored pencils. There is no mess involved with colored pencils, and you can jump right in and draw from anywhere for even 5 or 10 minutes with no setup or cleanup necessary. And you don't need many supplies to get started. A pad of paper and a few pencils is all you really need. As you advance, you can incorporate countless different techniques and products to take your drawings to the next level. So what exactly do you need to get started? First, let's talk about paper. Colored pencil artists draw on many different types of paper, including Bristol Smooth, Bristol Vellum, watercolor paper, and printmaking paper. Every colored pencil artist has their favorite. I have drawn for years on the Strathmore Bristol Smooth paper. It is relatively inexpensive but super high quality and produces a beautiful smooth finish to your artwork. Here are some things I have drawn on Bristol Smooth paper. My newest obsession is museum mounting board. This paper is nice and thick and textured and works surprisingly well with colored pencils. This Strathmore Museum mounting board is the paper I am going to be using in this series. It comes in a large sheet that you can cut down to any size you like. Next up, you are going to need some pencils. This set of Lyra Rembrandt Polycolors comes with 72 beautiful colors. One of the best things about drawing botanicals is that I will get to use every single one of these colors at some point. These pencils are oil-based and sharpened to a nice point. And even more importantly, they hold that point without crumbling. They blend well and they work well with all of the different techniques I'm going to show you in this video. The only remaining mandatory supplies are a couple of things that you probably already have: a pencil sharpener and an eraser. As you progress, there are some optional products that you will likely want to include, including an electric pencil sharpener, an electric eraser, pencil extenders, a solvent of some sort, and paintbrushes to apply the solvent to your drawing. As part of my process, I like to blend my pencils using an odorless paint thinner. This one from 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 works great, and I will show you how to use it in the next video. You will need a small, stiff, flat, angular, or filbert paintbrush like these from Princeton to apply the paint thinner to your drawing. And that is it. That is what you need to get started. Please let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and otherwise I will see you in the next video.